Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today we'll be going through all of the notification controls that you have on the Webex app. On the left-hand panel, you can go to your profile on the upper left-hand corner. You go to settings and go to notifications. So on the general notifications area, you will see taskbar notifications and quiet hours. Taskbar notifications, you can enable or disable whenever either you have your WebEx open or it's closed. So you can have your taskbar notifications off when you have your WebEx app closed, or you can have taskbar notifications on even if your app is closed. And quiet hours are when you are not getting any taskbar notifications. You can set this to whenever you're out of work. You could do it daily, you could do it custom time range. When you click on messages, these are the message notifications that you will get from all of your spaces or any direct messages that you will get. If you have it on for all messages that are coming into your WebEx app will be notified to you. If you only want direct messages and mentions to be notified, then you would have to click this button. If you want to edit your own notification settings, you could press custom, go to edit, and pick whichever one you would want on. And then once you're happy with your changes, you could just press save. Or you could also have your notifications completely off. You could also change how your notifications will be sounding on the WebEx app. If you want to redo all of the changes that you made, you could just reset to default. You could just press reset if you're happy with that. Meeting notifications are for when you would want to remind people of a meeting. So if you want to receive notifications for scheduled meetings, it can be 5 minutes before start time, 1 minute before start time, on start time. If you want it completely off, you don't want to get any notifications for any scheduled meetings, you could just do so. For meeting notifications, if you would want to opt for a notification to remind you that or differentiate that the notification is for an upcoming meeting, you could do so. And you can change whatever ringtone that you would want to play whenever a meeting notification or a scheduled meeting notification is coming through your taskbar. When you're in a meeting, if you are mute or unmuted, you can have the option to play a beep whenever you do so. You could edit the meeting action sounds, like when someone joins a meeting, when someone leaves a meeting, when someone raises a hand in the meeting, or whenever you receive a message within the meeting, you could have it enabled and changed to whichever notification sound that you would want to hear. So when recordings are ready, let's say someone has ended a recording and you would want to know when the recordings are ready, when they've been rendered, then you could check that box as well. So when you're getting direct calls, you can enable, disable, or have it disabled when you're in a meeting or in a call, those notifications. And you can also customize the ringtone that you will get for any direct calls that you would receive. And that's it. That's how you edit your notifications on the WebEx app.